Adam's humanity to exploit him, has started to whisper to him day after day, coaxing him, "Shall I guide you to the tree of immortality and the eternal kingdom?" He said to them, "Your Lord did not forbid you this tree save you should become angels or become of the immortals." He, Satan, swore by Allah to them both saying, "Verily I am one of the sincere well-wishers for you both." Ch. 2021. Adam asked himself, "What will happen if I eat from this tree?" It might truly be the tree of immortality. His dream was to live forever in the pure innocence of paradise. Years went by, and Adam and Eve were preoccupied with thoughts of that tree. Then one day they decided to eat of its fruit. They